What is up guys, Reggie here, back again with another video, and thanks for tuning to the channel where we take a closer look at smartphones and camera accessories. So today I have some really cool accessories for your product red iPhone 8 Plus. Just picked this up a couple weeks ago, so I figured I'd go over some cool accessories that I got for it. Number one is the Poetic Affinity case. This is for the iPhone 8 Plus, and Poetic was nice enough to send me this case. Really nice case. This is the black version, so the little trims over here are black. Fits real nicely, fits nice and tight. You have these like little ridges on the side for grip action. Buttons are nice and clicky. You can get to your mute toggle nice and easy. All the cutouts are nice and clean, looks good. Overall, I think it's a really nice touch to the red iPhone 8 Plus because it has some nice textures, gives it a little bit of black accents here, so it's really good. In terms of the case quality, it's a really good quality. Nice hard plastic. It's gonna definitely protect your phone. These guys are raised up, so when you put it down, no worries. The clear plastic isn't gonna get all messed up. You have your cutouts right here for the LED flash and two camera sensors. A little tiny bit of lip action right there on the front. Works good with the tempered glass, so awesome case. Definitely recommend this case. I think they're like $12.95 on poeticcases.com, so go ahead and check those out. There's also a clear version with these accents, so if you don't want to see black, you can just get the clear one, but I like the black accent one. And so the next thing I wanted to get a matching watch band for the iPhone 8 Plus product red. I got this watch band. It's kind of a knockoff of the Nike band for the Series 2. So here's the actual Nike band, but it's red, and you can see it's not like a super match. It's kind of like a brighter red, but I like the color. It is actually a nice feeling on your wrist. Quality's good, everything is good to me for this watch band. I got it from a company on Amazon called Our Fun, and actually it's a 2-pack, and it comes with all sorts of colors, but I got the blue and white one and the red and black one. So go ahead and check those out if you want to see some cool watch bands. So they were pretty cheap for 2 watch bands. They were like $12.99, and they come in a lot of different color combinations. I think there's 5 other color combinations they come with. So here's the actual Nike Apple Watch wristband, which is, you know, it's nice, cool color, definitely premium feeling and looking. And these are actually a really good knockoff ones, so definitely recommend them by Our Fun. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below for those. So if you guys are interested in these, go ahead and check them out. These are definitely some really awesome accessories for your product red iPhone 8 Plus. So that's it for me. My name is Reggie, and I'm signing out. Thanks for tuning into the channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.